What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Microsoft Corporation with the ticker symbol MSFT. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Make sure you hit the like button down below, guys. It only takes a few seconds, helps out the channel tremendously, and it lets me know that you guys find value in these videos, and it tells me that you guys want to see more Microsoft technical analysis. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Microsoft. I believe this is the same drawings I had last time. I didn't really change anything. So what has happened since last week Thursday? You can see that price did continue higher from the high 300s, the 390s, up until the low 400s. So I was expecting another large drop. All this would be one large drop right here, and it looks like we could have started in the second drop right here, targeting somewhere in the 370, but that did not occur because we just pushed above this swing high right here. So now this swing high is above this one, so that kind of invalidates that measure move target, which is a bullish sign. And also price broke this downward potential trend line, so we broke it to the upside and we're finding support. So what is price doing overall for the past several months? It's just trading sideways. So you see that the sideways trading started basically the January this year, towards the end of January. It's just sideways trading. We've been up and down, up, back down. Now we're up. Most likely we're going to still see higher prices in the short term. So back up probably to the 430 is the next logical area for this movement. We just had like a failed breakout on the bottom side. All this right here was a breakout that failed. It would try to break out lower and it failed because price immediately reversed back inside the range. It also stopped out all the traders right over here. So we had a fake breakout, stopped out all the longs who had their stop losses here, thinking we would continue higher. Price came down, stopped them out, and a lot of times once they're stopped out, then price will go higher or where they expect the price to go. So again, it looks pretty bullish. We'll see what happens, but short term is looking bullish. Long term, we'll have to wait and see because that measurement target was met. So if we use the impulse from March of 2020 up until November 2021, and you drag that across to the low back over here in November of 2022, we basically reached the target already at the 430. It was a perfect measurement target hit, and that makes sense why price is consolidating. Like I said before, measurement targets are temporary stopping points or even permanent reversal areas. So we'll see if this leads to a large sell-off or not. But as right now, we are seeing price consolidate. Traders are just saying, hey, this is what they're thinking. We had a measurement target reached, and we're seeing price consolidate. Are we going to start a new uptrend, or are we going to continue the uptrend? Or are we going to start seeing a reversal to the downside? So they're just waiting to see what happens. Either way, there's some short-term movement going on between the 398 and the 430 level as right now, just back and forth. So we'll see what happens. As right now, I would be leaning towards the upside because we just had the failed breakout. Price came back in the range, and it looks pretty good to the upside. So let's see what happens as right now. Either way, we even have this more shallower trend line in play that can act as support if price does come down to it. So here's a look at the weekly. Very strong uptrend. You can see that we have 2 consecutive green weeks in a row. This could be the third one. Looking pretty bullish. We could go back up to retest the prior all-time high. And again, we have multiple trend lines as support. We have this longer term trend line in play right over here. We got this trend line right over here. So a lot of trend lines in play, and overall just a bullish looking chart. So all I have from Microsoft on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.